USD based pairs. Sorry, USD pairs.
All right, guys, this is doing the live Zoom with cheat code. This is the result of the cheat code live Zoom, up 107. I am actually ready to close this out. Get cheat code. We're eating over here. Great week, great week, great week with the cheat code. As you can see, we're actually doing a live Zoom during CPI, and it has benefited greatly. Cheat code.
All right, guys, that was one of our testimonies from our members inside of Vinnie's Trading Cheat Code group. He made 100K trading CPI news. We actually were doing a live in our paid members group. We do live trading on Thursday. And that was a live trade, 100K trading CPI news. So what I want to do, guys, is go over those trades and also go over a couple trades for CPI, because I know a lot of people lost money. The market couldn't decide on what it really wanted to do on Thursday, and I'm going to show you why it's a good reason to use an indicator. Okay, indicator just gives you confirmation, just builds your confidence. That's all it does. It's not something you blindly would trade off of solely, because you have to know how to trade, what market structure is, what supply and demand zones. If you trade that way, we trade that way, but we really use the cheat code for confirmation. But he went ahead and made 100K, guys, in minutes. Okay, imagine making that in minutes. Also had a good day. I made about $15,000 that day trading gold, Euro USD, and GBP USD. Okay, these are all live trades that are called out. Let's go with the first one, our paid Telegram group. So at 9:10, I called out Euro USD for a sale. Okay, so let me show you this trade real quick. Let's go ahead and go over this trade. Euro USD 1 hour time frame. I'm in replay mode. Okay, normally, let's go back a little bit. Normally, most people would have seen this huge bullish movement, right? In FOMO'd in. That means they would have been chasing after a trade. A lot of people would have tried to get in for Euro USD to go higher. Okay, but guess what it did? Let's play this real quick. Voila! You see, price dropped immediately. Okay, a lot of people lost a lot of money. A lot of people blew their account simply by not having a cheat code, or simply by chasing after a trade. Okay, you always want to get in at the beginning of a trade. You never want to chase after a trade. Once you see a big move like this, whether it's bearish or bullish, you always want to wait for a pullback. You never just want to hop into a trade where you see a big movement, because price is always going to pull back. Now, if I turn on the indicator, you guys gonna see we had a cheat code sell signal and a divergent sell signal. Okay, so that gives me indication that price wanted to reverse. All right, and this is where I called out that trade in the group at 9:10, as you guys can see. All right, and we hit on that trade. I think we got about how many pips? Let's take a look real quick. Let me go back to the paid group. On that Euro USD trade, we got 52 pips. Okay, we got about 52 pips on that Euro USD trade this week. This is actually how we did last week. The market was moving crazy last week. A lot of consolidation, not a lot of volume in the market, but we did pretty well for the week. 398 pips for the week using the cheat code system, guys. We had a loss on gold of 63 pips. Caught out a trade for GBP JPY sell trade. I closed it early because it just wasn't right, but it's totally fine, guys. You got to understand, trading is difficult. So to be able to do this every single week consistently, be a consistently profitable trader, it's a hard thing to do. It's not easy. Okay, but thanks to the cheat code, it gives us an edge in the market by the way we trade. Okay, let's take a look at another trade I wanted to go over. Let's go back to our paid members group. We had a trade on gold, okay, that we did, gold sell. This is the trade that I made $15,000 on. Our TP on Euro USD got smashed. We also took a trade on GBP USD. Let me get out of this real quick. GBP USD. Let me turn off the indicator. And let's do replay mode right quick. Let's do here, right here. All right, so let me make this bigger. So we didn't get in until I saw this candle coming down, so it didn't hit our stop loss. Okay, we got in right at this area right here for GBP USD to go down. So we scored about, let's see, how many pips did we get on this? About 70 pips. We got about 70 pips on GBP USD that same day. So Thursday, I called out a live trade in our group for GBP USD. I didn't put it inside the Telegram group. It was a straight call out. Gold, okay, and Euro USD, okay. Those are all trades that we called out inside of our group on Thursday on CPI, and they all hit TPs, all right? So we made good money on Thursday, all right? But again, a lot of people lost their accounts. Why? Because they FOMO'd in. Some people took buys right here, right? But guess what? We have the cheat code system. Cheat code gave us a cheat code sell signal to let us know that it is time to sell, okay? I knew price was still bullish, so that's why we got out where we got out at. We didn't hold this trade because price still went back up, okay? But just to let you know that it's always good to be patient and wait. Wait for the opportunity. Wait till you get confirmation. This cheat code system gives you confirmation, okay? It allows you to become a patient trader. You're not going to win every single trade. Again, trading is hard. We only use a cheat code system for confirmation. That's why we have it. But it's going to give you an edge in the market. And that's exactly what you want. You want to have an edge in the market. Okay. It's going to help you become a consistently profitable trader. What I mean by consistently is that you're going to win more than you lose, because you will lose. That is a guaranteed in this market. That's the way this business is, and that's the way we roll. You will lose, okay? And like Stephen Burns says right here, it says a profitable trader is just a losing trader that didn't give up. This trader lost money over and over, faced stress along with uncertainty. They believed that their journey would be worth it with little support from family and friends. Never give up. Never give up, guys. Okay? Never give up. It will click one day. You just have to stick to your set of rules, which is very, very important if you want to become a successful trader. Stick to your rules. In addition to that, guys, he also made an additional $24,000.
Cheat code.
Take a look here.
As you can see, had a sales signal. Waited until it, had a sales signal here. Waited until the rule is to make sure it closes inside the band. And as you can see, it has dropped tremendously. Go over here to my live account. 2 positions on NAS, 2 on gold that were all as well called in the live Zoom. And I am up nicely on
voila, another $24,000,
clearing
guys.
100,000 on CPI.
Just by trading the cheat code system. So if you guys want the cheat code system, the link will be below in this video, okay? The link will be below. Go ahead and click the link in the description, and it's going to bring you to this page. I'm going to show you guys here in just a second, okay? It's going to bring you to this page, all right? This is for one-time payment only for $297. If you guys can't pay the $297 right now, there'll also be a link below that where you can pay monthly. It's $127 a month, okay, to come in. But you might as well go ahead and pay the lifetime and get into our our group, guys, and we can show you how the cheat code works. Again, this indicator is used for confirmation only. This is probably the most accurate indicator you will ever find in your life. And we guarantee that, okay? The most accurate indicator. So thank you guys for joining me. And that just shows what is possible if you stick to a set of rules, okay? So make sure you catch our next video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the group.